Welcome back, everyone. Let's get back to work. We have 15 minutes, so that's good enough. So, GBP looks bearish. 4 hour inverted hammer, 4 hour hammer. You can say it swept these lows. It can continue for this order block. 1 hour is bearish. Okay, so this is a very strong candle, but it didn't continue for the upside. So this isn't looking good to trade, but we'll mark the levels and see what we can do. It was in a downtrend, now it's holding, it can continue for the downside. Looks bearish, but let me check other pairs first. It can come around its opening price again. We need 15-minute confirmation at least. So if I am planning to buy GBP, then I want it to give a 15-minute break of structure. Let it happen. Then I will wait for 3-minute break of structure in 15-minute order block. I'm not sure, I might look for sells. Let me first check other pairs to make sure where the sentiment is. Euro is bearish. This is a strong candle. It can continue for these lows. This string double bottom. 1 hour is very bearish. These are strong candle. We have a order block. We have a fair value gap. Let me check for news. It is little risky because we have a news. It is not a red folder news, but there will be spikes. It is in a continuous momentum, so there is no pullback. I need at least for him. We are bearish in euro. I like the displacement, but I need a retracement first. At least of this zone. When it comes to that zone, then I need at least 3-minute break of structure or 5 because these are fair value gaps. So we are also bearish in it has already tested this order block. Okay, there was a this is good. We have a swing for sell side. If it closes below this level before the new session opens, this is good. It was in the zone which has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and it is hovering around here. So the higher time frame and lower time frame concept where let me draw it for you. So buyers are not able to push higher, and the same you can see over here. So there was a line, we can draw a line over here. I would, if this was session open, then I would have entered over here already, but because we don't have, we need a 3-minute retest. GBP we will sell, we need a retest of 3-minute order block, and I might enter as soon as it retest, or I will wait for 1 minute break of structure because I trade break of structure usually. If it retests, then I will have a swing over here. That's a good. Then I will wait for that swing to break, and the targets it can come around till here. We don't. I don't want to rush again. Euro we have marked 3-minute break of structure from where? Okay. 1 hour order block retest, order block plus 3-minute break of structure. It might not happen, but that's fine. We won't trade. Euro is bearish. AUD is bearish. 4 hour. I don't like this. There has not been a single green candle. One, two, three, four, five red candles. This is a strong candle. It can continue, but I don't like the price action. It's in 4 hours. There will be pullbacks in. Okay, so we have levels. One is this. This is the important level, key level. It has been tested one time and it is coming second time. So it can break that level. It has already, okay, so this is good. 1 hour 15 minutes. We'll look for sells. Okay, so we are in the equilibrium. We were wrong in the London session about the market sentiment, but right now I'm positive that we are in the right direction. So we just need to have good entries. The market is for sells. Where I will enter, that's I have to decide. 5 minute. Okay, so this is an important level. It should break this. I don't wanna early enter, but let's see. Okay, we have one swing over here. If it breaks this swing in 5 minutes, so 5-minute break of structure. That should be enough. Already 3-minute break of structure, it can retest 5-minute break of structure, and if that does not happen, then retest of 3-minute order block plus 1-minute break of structure. So if it doesn't break this low in next 5 minutes, then I will want this order block to retest, which is already happening. But let's see. Then I'll wait for breakdown. JPY. Okay, so it is extremely bullish. If I would have held my trade, then but that's fine. I got where I was. Let me first do the analysis, then I will say. There's nothing. Is there any swing in daily, or it is at all time high? Okay. I will trade in half quantity. It is bullish. We won't trade against the trend. The movement is steep. That's one thing I'm concerned about. So for a good trade, because it has already gave a steep move, I need at least retest of this 15-minute order block. If not, then we won't trade. So buying JPY 15-minute order block plus 1 or 3 minute break of structure. In the morning, as I said, let me show you. It came to this level. I always say that it gives a big retracement, then it continues. Yes, see, you can see a 5-minute breakout structure. This is the manipulation that always happens in the first pullback. And then it continued, but I don't like to hold till this manipulation, because there is always a chance that it continues, and then from 1 to 3 you lose money. That's something I don't like. I would rather book my profits in between than to risk my profits for bigger targets. That would be nice. So there will be a manipulation, 5-minute breakout structure. People might start selling, then it can continue. So good. We have a good price action in JPY. Gold. It is in a daily or FVG, but it looks strong. It can close. It can close in the. It can still continue for the upside, or it can reverse. Let's see in the small time frame. Okay, so we have a swing in 4 hour, 1 hour also. It looks bearish. It had a wick. This the wick concept that I have always talked about. And this is a wick. The next hour candle can sweep this wick. Okay, it is bearish. So overall trend is, I will go half for sales, because so far the trend has been bullish. I would try to avoid gold, but if I trade, then I will go in half quantity. I need a 15-minute order block retest plus 1 minute or 3 minute breakout structure with half quantity. Then I said I will trade half quantity in one another pair. I forgot. I have to write it because I don't remember things. Daily, it is sideways. It can close around its opening price. I don't see it going very high. 4 hour, it's bullish. This was a strong displacement, but overall trend is bearish. So this is also a kind of pullback. It is bullish in hourly. I don't like charts. I am positive about the trend, but NQ should go up as per the trend. But I am not confident, so I might not trade NQ. It is in a bearish structure so far. I need a breakout, 5 minute, 15 minute at least. This swing. The daily, it is bullish. Overall trend is bearish, so I should follow the trend. I'm not sure. I might not trade NQ. So we are done with the analysis. Let's focus on good execution, and we might pass the account. So okay, it gave a breakout, it gave a retest. I am keeping an eye on GBP. I will enter in this breakdown. Okay, so there is still a big room in gold, so we don't have to watch gold. Big room in JPY also, so we don't have to watch. We will keep an eye on AUD. We are having a retracement in GBP, that's good. So I can. So two mainly focused pair are AUD and GBP. Other pairs there is still a lot of room for it to move. It is in a fair value gap. Once it breaks this low, then I will enter in GBP. EOD is glitching in my charts. Okay, now it's back. JPY is giving the replacement we wanted, but there is still time. Gold. Gold is looking good. I need a 3-minute break of structure for gold to enter. I'll wait. Okay. Okay, so it's going against our plan. Fine. We won't trade. I might trade NQ. It is around the level we marked. Need a break of structure in NQ. It's looking good. I'll wait for 1 minute break of structure. I won't rush. It looks like it's gonna go, but still we'll wait. At least for 1 minute break of structure. You can see over here. Gold also it's moving, but there is no pullback. We will get good trades. If it comes into this fair value gap, then breaks, then I will enter. One red candle, then one green candle. Now 1 minute break of structure and we will enter. Gold is moving, but it is not giving any retracement, so I won't. Okay. A little FOMO entry, but fine. I am in I need only $50. Gold is just giving green candle after green candle. There is no retracement. My target is 670, 670. That's all we need to win. There is no retracement in gold, so what about the other pairs? It is giving the retracement we wanted, but there is still a big room for it to cover. AUD, we won't trade AUD. JPY, there is, we won't get a trade in JPY. Maybe we'll only get one trade. We only got one trade. Gold is good, but there is no retracement. We need, yeah, you can enter over here a breakout structure, but I need at least 50% retracement of this move. So you can say a 3-minute breakout structure is where I can enter. JPY is good. I can enter. JPY is a very good trade. It didn't come into the 15-minute zone, but you can see this manipulation. In it closed below this low, looking like bearish, but and again this pattern, our favorite pattern, a candle with a good wick, and if it closes above this, then it's a good money. But this will do. This is more than enough. You can see in 5. Okay, in 1 minute. This was the manipulation break of structure going down, sweeping these lows, and then it's going up. Gold is giving the retracement we wanted. 3 minute. Okay, so if it gives a 3-minute break of structure, then I'll enter in gold. Doesn't look good. I believe yesterday it manipulated. It went up, then it continued for the downside. So today it won't manipulate as per probability and continue for the upside. At least it should take the swings. Let's see. My SL is not exactly right because I entered in between, so this will be a very big SL. So I won't change my SL. We are almost there to have a. So I will trail it somewhere around here. I'm trailing because gold, if it NQ moves, then it will give the profit in a single move, and we'll pass the step 1. My trailing is around here. I don't need to enter in gold, but I will enter in gold. So M2M, if I make profit, then I can exit once it gives a 3-minute break of structure. Nice. M2M 285, $15, and we'll pass the account. Step 1. There is a trade in GBP. I don't know if I should take. We got our 3-minute break of, okay, yeah, 3-minute break of structure that we wanted. This is enough. I don't need to trade anymore. I have already trailed it over here. Any second now. Almost there. 94, 95. Okay, okay, a little bit more. Little bit more. Push, push, market push. This is my first time clearing a challenge with pure skill. Yes, there is always luck, but this is pure skill. Okay, I'm already at. I have already achieved. Done. Step 1 clear, guys. And cherry on top, this is our fifth day of winning streak. We have been in green 5 days consecutively. I will show you. I won't show you because I have to log in into the account. Code fund it. Okay, I can blur that part. I will blur that. Account clear. Amazing. What was the password? Okay. Crazy, crazy. Yes. One step more to go and to be funded. This is just the start of the journey. Now we are trading in 5K, and after a few months, we will trade in 50K, then 100K, then 400K. There is no stopping. Account, where is the password? What is the password? Okay. I'll blur some of this. I don't know what should be blurred and what should not be blurred. My stats. So, guys, this is the shot. Guys, you can see 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4, 5. Today it's been 5 days of winning streak, and we just cleared our step one. You can see the balance 5501. We made 10% in this account. We cleared step one, and from tomorrow I might take a rest, and then we start again with a step two, and we will. I hope I can clear it before the end of the month. Thank you for watching. That was for the short. You can watch the full video. I will do it again. So guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days of winning, and today we pass our challenge. You can see the balance 5503. That means we just made 10% and we clear step one. Now we have to clear step two, that is the target of 5%. That won't be that hard, and you can watch the video. The link for the video will be in the description. Thank you for watching. I don't like to create the reel separately. That's why I did that. So, guys, nothing much to say. We did it! Yes! I like to celebrate my wins. I'm not one of those who is neutral. I like to celebrate my wins. And thank you for watching. See you tomorrow or day after tomorrow or whenever. Bye.